Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kids Activities video. In last video I have shared how a child can read 3-letter CBC word with the help of phonics sound and different TLMs you can prepare for phonics activities. Today I will share how a child can spell and read these 3-letter CBC words with the help of 3 different activities in a fun way. First activity is making chart of CBC words. Second activity is preparing worksheet of CBC words with numbers. Third activity is taping different CBC words on floor with numbers. With the help of this activity, kid can easily learn to spell 3-letter CBC words in fun way. So let's start.
Activity is phonics activity with number or counting. For this, I have prepared this chart in which I have written numbers and CBC word on each slip. Activity is kid has to find that number that I will ask and kid has to tell what is drawn on that number. Also, the sound of that CBC word and the spelling of that word. With the help of this activity, kid will learn number recognition, sound of CBC word and the spelling of that word. So let's start that activity. Find or search number 5. What is drawn?
Sad.
Sad. Okay. Sound of sad?
So, and so.
Okay. Spelling?
S-A-D.
Okay. Now, find number 10. What kids is doing?
She. Nap.
Okay. Tell me the sound of nap.
No. And so.
Okay. Spelling?
N-A-P.
Okay. Now the search number 18. Okay. What is drawn on 18?
Net.
Net. Tell me the spelling, sound of net.
No. Two.
Okay. Spelling of net.
N-E-T.
Okay. Now search number 25. 25.
25.
Okay. What is drawn on 25?
Men.
Man. What is the sound of man?
No. N. No.
Okay. Spelling?
N-E-N.
Okay. Now search number 33. Where is 33? What is drawn on 33? 33 पे क्या बना हुआ है?
Ben.
Bin. What is the sound of bin?
O-E-No.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling of bin.
B-I-N.
Very good. Now search number 38. Okay. What is drawn on 38?
Pig.
Pig. What is the sound of pig?
O-E-Go.
Now tell me the spelling.
B-I-D.
Okay. Now search number 46. Okay. What is drawn on 46?
Pot.
Pot. Tell me the sound of pot.
Po-O-To.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling of pot.
P-O-T.
Okay. Now search number 55.
55.
Okay. What is drawn? पहला क्या बना हुआ है? Cup. Sound of cup.
Cup.
Okay. And now the next one is
Mug.
mug. Sound of mug.
Mug.
Spelling. Spelling of mug.
M-U-G.
Okay, very good. Now search number 59. 59.
59.
After 56 search करो. Okay. What is drawn on 59? क्या कर रहे हैं scissor से? Cut. Okay, sound of cut.
Cup.
Okay, now tell me the spelling.
C-U-T. C-U-T.
C-U-T. Now the last one is 62. Where is 62? Okay, what is drawn on 62?
Tub.
Tub. What is the sound of tub? Okay, spelling?
C-U-P.
Very good. Today activity is related to the phonic sounds of three-letter CBC words. For this, I have prepared some slips and I have written number 1 to 9 on that slip. Also, I have written these numbers on this page and drawn some CBC images. Kid has to pick one slip and see which number is written on that slip and also which picture is drawn on that number. Kid has to tell the sound and the spelling of that CBC word. So let's start. Pick one slip. Which number is written?
1.
Okay. Where is 1? What is drawn in 1?
Zip.
Zip. Now tell me the sound.
La. E. Pa.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling. जा किसका साउंड होता है?
E. Ka.
ई किसका साउंड होता है?
I. Ka.
एंड पा किसका साउंड होता है?
P. Ka.
स्पेलिंग क्या हो गई जिप की?
Z-I-P.
वेरी गुड. नाउ पिक अनदर स्लिप. वन स्लिप उठाओ. विच नंबर इज रिटन? शो.
5.
5. Now see what is drawn on 5 number.
Zip.
What is this?
Zip.
Lip. Tell me the sound of lip.
La. E. Pa.
ला किसका साउंड होता है?
L. Ka.
एंड ई
I.
and pa. For the next activity related to the phonic CBC words, in which again kid will see the picture and tell the spelling and sound of that picture. For this, I have drawn 1 to 5 numbers and also drawn some images on this. Kid has to pick any number, jump to that number and tell the spelling. Now let's start. Pick any picture, pick any slip. Show me which number is written.
4.
4. Okay. Where is 4? See, where is 4? Okay. What is made on this?
Pit.
Pit. Tell me the sound of pit.
Pa. E. Ta.
Tub. Okay. पा किसका साउंड होता है?
P. Ka.
एंड ई
I.
एंड टा
T.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling of pet.
P-I-T.
Okay. Now pick other slip. Anyone. Which number is written?
2.
2. Where is 2? Where is 2? See. Come to that number. What is drawn? क्या बना हुआ है? इस पे क्या बना हुआ है? 2 पे क्या बना हुआ है?
Mat.
Man. Tell me the sound of mat.
M-A-T.
Okay. माँ किसका साउंड होता है?
M का.
And a
E.
and ta.
T.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling of mat.
M-E-T.
Okay. Now go for another slip. Which number is written?
5.
5. See where is 5? Okay. What is drawn?
Rug.
Rug. Tell me the sound of rug.
Go.
Okay. रा किसका साउंड होता है?
R का.
And a
Do.
and g.
G.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling. Rug की spelling.
R. U. G.
Very good. Okay. Now pick other slip. Which number is written?
1.
1. Where is 1? Okay. क्या बना हुआ है 1 पे?
Rat.
Rat. Okay. Rat का sound?
Rat.
Okay. Spelling? रा किसका साउंड होता है?
R का.
ए किसका साउंड होता है?
A का.
And ta?
T.
Tell me spelling.
R. A. T.
Go for the last slip. Which number is written?
3.
3. Check where is 3. Okay. You are already on 3. क्या बना हुआ है 3 पर?
Dog.
Jug. Tell me the sound of jug.
Go.
Okay. जा किसका साउंड होता है?
J का.
And a
Do.
and g.
G.
Okay. Now the spelling of jug.
J. Do. D.
Very good.
Kid will enjoy to learn spelling and reading of 3-letter CBC word with the help of these activities. In next video, I will share how a child can read small sentences with the help of CBC and sights word. So, please watch my next video on next weekend and like, subscribe, comment on my channel Kids Activities video. Thank you.